Hey everybody. Well, here we are at our camp in Africa. So yeah. Well, just had some hippos here. Where'd they go? I don't know. There's one. Right there. So yeah, this is our camp. Hi Sue! We have a whole little washroom, 2 beds, towels and everything. And this is our outdoor shower over here. So yeah, this is our home for the next week. We're out on our first game drive.
My name's Alistair and I'm from Wildine. We're on our first game drive in the Massaimara and we are keen.
I'm for real. I'm for real Jackson. Ready to rock and roll.
Lots of wildebeest, zebra, no crossing yet.
No crossing yet, but fingers crossed, fingers crossed.
Yes.
They're close to the river and that's a good sign. That's where we need them to be.
Yeah, so hopefully we're going to pay off a couple of antelope and see if we can get them to...
Yeah, if in doubt, bribery and corruption.
Exactly, there we
Tends
go.
to work in Africa.